Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can create HTML5 in VS Code. Okay, so without getting late, let's dive into the tutorial. First of all, we will install the VS Code and then we will try to create HTML file into the VS Code editor. Let's open the Chrome, type download VS Code, click on it. You will see the first link, which is https code.visualstudio.com. Click on it. This is the official Visual Studio Code download page. If you are Windows user, you can see here we have this Windows installer and my system is 64-bit. So I will click on this 64-bit installer. It will start to install the VS Code package into my system. If you see here, the download has started. I have already downloaded and installed it, so I will cancel it. For you, let it download and then double click on it and then install the VS Code for you. Okay, once this code editor is installed, let's open the VS Code. If you see here, we have this file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help tabs on the top. And here we have this explorer, search, run and debug. Then we have extensions, so we can add extensions from here. If you click on this file tab, you can see we can create a new file, we can open a new window, we can also open already created file into the VS Code. We can also open the folder that is already created in this VS Code. You can also enable the auto save. So whatever changes that you will do into your HTML file, it will automatically save the changes for you. You don't need to always save the changes you are making into your HTML file. And in the preferences, you have this color theme, right? If you click on it, you get all these color options for your code editor. If I click on, suppose, this solarized light, you can see the color of this code editor has changed. So you can change the color of code editor according to your preferences. I will go back to my previous color theme. You can choose your own. Now let's create one file. Click on file, click on new file. Now let's try to save this file. Name it demo app and name the extension as HTML. So if you are working with the HTML file, you need to put the extension formatting as HTML dot HTML. Okay, and this is plain text, so select HTML from it, click on save. Now here we will start writing the tags. What is tag? So basically tag is a way to write the elements in HTML. So we have opening and closing tag. Okay, and whatever we write into that tag, it defines what kind of element it is. So suppose we will give the symbol to open the tag. So suppose I am writing one HTML tag, so this is the closing tag. Okay, and if I put enter, so you can see this is the closing tag, sorry, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. And whatever things or content we need to write, we will write inside this tag only. Write welcome to right click. Now let's go to our file explorer, and if you see, we have this demo app created here. Double click on it. You can see this text, right? Welcome to right click. And if you see this URL, this is the path of this HTML file that we had created. Okay, so you can copy the path of that HTML file and you can paste it here, or you can go to the file and click on it. It will open into the Chrome and you can see this text here, right? So this is how you can create a file into your VS Code and start writing the HTML code into it. Now in the next tutorial, I will talk about the basic tags and elements that we can use to write the HTML. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.